Hi guys! Are you a vlogger? Or are you fond of making videos using your smartphone? Well, today I want to show you and we will review a gadget that can make your videos much better. So stay tuned. Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel. So if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to Art and Less channel and hit the notification bell for more videos about photography, love, and travel. So I have with me the gadget. So here it is. No, it's not a ukulele. So let's open this one. Tada. So this is a smartphone gimbal. This model is a Zhiyun Smooth Q. It is one of the first gimbals made by Zhiyun. So it supports smartphones. So today I want to show you and I want to give you a quick review on how to use this gimbal. So the question is, if you are into vlogging or if you are fond of making videography using your smartphone, do you really need this gadget? So let's make some reviews and this will answer your questions. Hello guys, just a quick look on this gimbal. So this is the actual gimbal. It has the small joystick to maneuver, a mode button and a power button, record button, and a zoom button. This one is for the charging, so it promises to work for 12 hours. So at the back of the gimbal there is a USB port. You can directly charge your mobile phone by inserting a charging cable. And now this is the smartphone dock. So let's try putting a smartphone. So first thing to do is to balance your smartphone in this gimbal. So I have a Samsung A10, so we will balance this one. So you have to make sure that you have the proper orientation, because in this gimbal you have to position like this. If you will balance on this side, it will not work. So be sure to read the manual of your gimbal first. So let's do this. As you can see, when you first put your smartphone, it is not balanced. So you have to adjust this one, or you have to make it on the middle, then make sure it is completely on the edge. Then you can adjust the length on this screw. Now we can see that it's balanced on the horizontal line. Now we have to balance the vertical. So now you can see that the phone is almost balanced. So now the second step is to turn on the gimbal. You have to press the power button for around 3 seconds. And that's it. The gimbal is now ready for operation. So you can see. So let's turn this on. So if you use the joystick, The default operation is you can tilt the smartphone up and down. Then you press again the mode button. Then you can make the side to side motion. What's good about this gimbal is you can actually make it round for 360 degrees. Some gimbals cannot do this. Some gimbals will only go for around 180 degrees, I think. So this is one advantage you can get for the Zhiyun Smooth Q. Now you have the gimbal. Now let's make some reviews. Do we really need a gimbal to make good videos? So we will try 4 scenarios. One is we will walk without the gimbal and with the gimbal. Number 2 is we will run without the gimbal and with the gimbal. Number 3 is we will try to move around in circles using a gimbal and without using a gimbal, and the final test will be the ultimate shake test. And let's see what's the difference between without a gimbal and with a gimbal. So let's do this. So guys, for the first test, we will walk, we will run, we will make circles, then we will make a shake test without using a gimbal. So let's do this. Now, we'll try to walk, we'll try to run, we'll try to make circles, and we will do the shake test using a gimbal. That's it guys. Now we'll show you the comparison between the two. And additional information guys, if you want to use the other features on this gimbal, you can download the application for your smartphone. The name of the application is ZY Play. On the ZY Play, you can connect your smartphone using a Bluetooth. And after connecting via Bluetooth, you can use this button to record your videos and photos. You can use this button to zoom in and zoom out. There are other features such as panorama and time-lapse movements. So please do explore the application. That's it guys. We have shared our review of the smartphone videography using a gimbal, using a Zhiyun Smooth Q. So for my final recommendation and suggestions, if you are serious in the vlogging and if you are serious in making your videos better, I suggest you use a gimbal. Obviously, the gimbal will make your videos smoother and look more professional. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for future uploads. If you have comments, suggestions, and reactions, please do share it on the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching and God bless.